Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at school with Stef, and Stef bought some RSR-Downs a couple weeks ago for his car.
I've been putting off putting them on because I'm nervous, but it's only gonna drop about an inch, so I'm not too worried about it. I only pay like about $500 for these, like shipping and everything, but I will be driving this in the winter, and I don't want to have to worry about being too low or having to adjust my height. Heavy as shit. Kumi, you wanna come home?
Whether I can just pull up,
Okay, so originally we're gonna take down the seats tomorrow, but we felt like we had time, so we might as well just start doing the fronts. So here's the back seats. There's some YouTube videos online on how to take them out. It was not too hard. It took us like 20-30 minutes.
There's 4 bolts in the back of the seat, a bunch of clips, and then just some bolts to get the top out.
This is like the first time we took it out, but we worked on Anisha's car, so we know what's happening, kind of. So it'll be a little easier for us.
Never touched a car this expensive or new before.
Alright, so we realized that our jack was too high, and now we're here to claim Peter's motorcycle ramp so we can use it for jacking the car up.
Little dutty.
Can you make a skateboard ramp?
You can jump on it.
You think you're gonna snap it like that? There's no way.
Oh wait, let's both jump on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Watch this. Bon appetit.
Guy said bon appetit.
Damn, this is a good looking piece of plywood.
That was fucked.
You guys vlog just saw our fucking...
Great wood heist.
That's the 6th heist in GTA 5. I don't know if someone's phone getting crashed. Dude, drilled and slotted stuff?
It looks sick.
Okay, I'll invest in a Dremel for you.
It's sticking so. Why is my tire sticking so far out?
Okay, let's see what the GoPro. I think it's just the way your car curves, bro. I don't think
No,
any.
honey, it's natural thing.
I think it's just the way your car curves. Cause GoPro guys, I don't know. What are you doing over here, Peter?
Yeah. Taking out the upper arm so the caliper can come forward, and we're gonna take the spring out. The GoPro's upside down.
No, it's not. It flips.
Oh. That's sick.
You're upside down, bro. This is what you'd do for your car?
Yeah.
Bro, your car's fucking tucked. Why do you say it's not low enough?
Because the space floor to the ground.
Oh. But like your wheels are tucked.
Fuck, it's on there.
That's some great fitment you have there.
Wow, thanks.
Steph, your fitment right now is great. I like it actually higher. If I do say so myself.
Looks really...
Troubleshooting right now.
I don't know, I've never had this.
No, that's a clamp.
Yeah, that's okay.
This is a good shot of your ass, Steph.
Because if we don't,
No, but if you think about it. Oh, yes!
No, yeah, but it's stuck on the bottom. Oh shit, on the top. Okay, that's gonna make it easier. Like it won't come up high enough because it's gotta come over this too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Here, you wanna watch this brake line? I'll pull it down.
on this line, you're gonna fall.
Yeah, so it's
Alright, we got the strut off.
just tighten the knob.
Now it's time to put on the new springs. I don't know, the spring compressions we got are actually nice. We didn't have any problem with them before. It wasn't even sus at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't take too long either. Okay.
Can you go a little bit more? Like 2 more jacks?
Okay, so we had to take this part and that
Yeah,
part
dude,
off
look.
together because
Hey, it's lagoon.
we had to take both parts off together because they were getting it was getting stubborn. I don't know if that's the normal thing to do, but
See, it stops on
yeah,
there.
Does it stop on there?
it's also on the bolt.
Yeah.
Okay, thank fucking God. I was
Sick.
so scared for that.
All right, show us the spring compressors.
Let's open this. Okay, so this costed me what, like $40?
$44.
$44. Also, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We've been at this since 10:30.
Oh,
We just got the first strut off. But now it's smooth sailing, no?
Yeah. Check that out.
All right. So, a lot of people think that this is sketchy. It's a little sketchy, but we've done this before, and it's not as bad as you think. Especially if you get some with like pins that help you lock it in.
I'm gonna start taking the other side bolts.
Honestly, yeah, that wouldn't be too bad. So
Just compress it.
that's as good as it's fucking getting.
Now to our sponsor, Lay's Poppables. Have you ever wanted a airy and crispy crunch? Try Lay's Poppables. Now back to our featured presentation.
Not
Did you
actually
say-
sponsored by
Did you
Lay's.
say Aryan crispy
Oh,
crunch?
back. I read my prompts, bro.
Oh, got it. Gotcha. I wonder why they put this piece of paper in between the.
Piece of paper?
It's like a piece of paper.
Right now, this is basically like a bomb.
Notice how it's pointing towards his car, not my car, just in case it blows up.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I thought the pin would shoot out.
Yeah, as angry as I am, this is fucking sick.
Notice how the springs are pointing to my bumpers, so Stef can replace mine bumpers because I've been looking to upgrade.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna replace his book. I'll give you an excuse. Fire no! I would definitely recommend using an air gun.
Wait, I thought you're not supposed to use an air gun.
No, that's some fucking cap.
No, I always use the air gun. It's always fine.
Wait, you wanna go again?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know
So
what?
hard!
So then maybe it's easier from sitting there. My ass is full of lube from the fucking. It's fine, you're good. I wiped it all off my ass.
Thanks.
Okay, here, let me.
Why is it so hard? They really don't want you to take these off, bro. It's really hard, guys. Use an air gun.
Good advice.
Huh?
He's
I
so
said use
immersed.
it. Yeah, he's so
in the-
immersed. He
Just
can't
gone.
even hear.
I'm so scared. I don't want this to blow up.
You should put some glasses on.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like safety goggles.
So if this thing is flying at you at like 200 kilometers an hour, plastic's gonna save you, you're fucked. It's gonna send it.
Well, I think plastic in your eye is better than a bar in your eye.
Facts.
You probably still lose your eye though, but maybe it won't hit your brain. I don't know.
Yeah, it's facts.
Don't buy Q50 Hybrid if you want to lower your car, everybody.
But the battery's in the back, why does it matter? Your engine is very like covered, like the bay.
You know what I'm saying? Steph should like wrap this. This, if he cleaned it up, it'd be all Venetian ruby, like the outside. Detail the engine bay a little bit with some like those Armor All wipes.
Yeah, if you wipe it down, it looks sick.
Imagine this hydro dip to like a blue, like not like a blue, like a red and like a black like swirl, like kind of like
Red and carbon.
Yo, red carbon.
Ask the subscribers. Leave a comment down below.
Oh yes, I see a cool windshield washer thingy. Oh yes, coolant is in there. Oh yes, oh yeah, pump right there.
How do you know the coolant's in there? Where'd you learn that from?
Oh, you know, I'm just a master mechanic. I've worked at 15 years at Mr. Lube. Oh yes, this is a good one. Let me tell you about it. That's actually where you put the coolant in, actually.
Where?
I can't even
Nah.
do this anymore, eh?
No.
You're wrong. Oh, this is a dipstick. If you want to check your oil.
I found another one.
Nice break. I like that. That's Oh, it's our other sponsor. You can tell us what it is, or else we're not gonna get the money.
Arizona, half and half iced tea, Arnold Palmer edition. Been drinking that shit since fucking grade 9. Beauty.
Yeah, we do endorse.
Now back to our fucking shit show battle.
So Steph, he did all the hard work for Anthony right now. So Anthony's gonna. You did all the hard work for Anthony, so now he's gonna step in. And
Look, it's immovable. It should not be like that. Yes.
could we need bigger muscles?
Anthony's fucked.
So you have to get
Real carbon fiber.
What the fuck? Can we not just cut this coolant line and just pretend that my car is cool?
What the fuck was that little stanky like you just did there?
do a little stank.
I caught that on camera, bro. Please never go to the club. Oh my god, embarrassing me. The title of this vlog is gonna be 3 janky guys and a master Mr. Lube mechanic
Listen,
put springs on a Q50.
I'm not.
Over your Q50.
All right, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, so we had ran into this problem with Stef's top hat. I got so frustrated that I just couldn't record anymore. And
Yeah, Anthony was pissed at this.
yeah, we just parked the car downstairs and we'll figure it tomorrow. But I think, yeah,
Good progress.
good progress. Okay.
Can you make it sound more believable now?
I can't even like do it anymore.
Is it loosey goosey?
No. It's tight as fuck. Tighter than fucking Piper Perry before she started fucking BBCs, bro.
I like that.